Hey, it's Britt and I'm going to show you how to do this twisted bun using our dry shampoo, the Champ. You're going to mist this throughout to add loads of volume and body. Start your first twist about 4 inches back or so. Grabbing a section, twist it away from your face. Now holding a couple strands at the bottom, you're going to gently push upwards on the rest of the twist, then back down to loosen and add texture. Repeat this step to the front section and remember to leave out your front fringe. Now repeat these same steps to the other side and remember to twist away from your face and clip that side as well. Taking a clear elastic, secure the 4 twists before removing the clips. Now grab more hair below that pony, twist and push up as you did before and wrap it and pin in place. A romantic, soft half-up bun. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with, so don't forget to tag us.